Now we're going to take you into a little place called Family Mart. It's not really little, but has so much to offer. It's kind of like 7-Eleven, but on steroids. And we prefer this over 7-Eleven here in Japan. I believe their selections are many more. Look at all this, all ready to go. My favorite of these little onigiri, different flavor. You're gonna get a katsu sando.
And then this one.
Look at all this. Yeah, I like the salmon one.
You want it too?
Yeah, that's good too. And just look at all these. Look, like you said, some boiling water. All these noodles, ramen, right? If you don't want this one, you can always get the ones on the wall here. Just add hot water. Those are what you see mostly in the States. Yeah. All this bread. Now, Hiro, we gotta get the cream puff. This is my weakness.
Oh, this is good.
These cream puffs are delicious right there. Oh yeah, look at these. I love these. These are so light. So good. We get for dessert. All right, that's good right here?
That's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Some katsu ready to go. In the States, we'd see those hot dogs, pulled sausages, or whatnot. And they have chicken wings in some places now. Oh, wow, look at this. Some kind of, there's a sweet potato. And wow, this other stuff too that's ready to go. Okay, we're ready. This is going to be our dinner since we've been eating so much here. This one? What is this?
It's ice cream, but kind of warehouse and outside.
Oh man.
Like ice sandwich.
Okay, well, can't try it now, but next time. Okay, now we're going to miss you a lot.
Very good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. We got a great recipe today.
Yes.
Done it years ago, but of course we're going to step it up a notch. I've not seen this done before. Not sure why. Maybe it's not that interesting to people. However, we will show you what we're going to do. Here, what are we making today?
Spam or musubi.
Spam musubi.
Yes.
All right. This is very popular in Hawaii.
Yes.
And if you guys never had spam, it's basically a lunch meat, mostly all pork. Post World War II, it was very popular. People took it on with them and brought it back to Hawaii, and I guess that's where it became so popular. And you guys have seen it before on YouTube. We're going to try a couple different variations of the popular spam musubi. All right, Hiro?
And today I have a very special tool to make this spam musubi.
Right. And your friend from Hawaii sent you a bunch of stuff.
Yes.
Let's go through the ingredients, Hiro.
Yes. First thing, of course, is spam. Even this toucan spam coming from Hawaii, all the way from Hawaii.
Right.
You can buy from local market in here, but this is too is a special. This is all the way from Hawaii.
Right.
Okay. And this one, the rice. This is from Niigata Prefecture. So store in Hawaii, they sell in this rice.
Okay.
It's very nice. This is from Japan.
Right.
You know, very special. So I'm already steaming already here, so you're gonna see later.
Okay.
And this one is spam cutter.
Okay.
You know, you put the spam in here and just press and cut easy. You know. And this one, this plastic mold, that's for the spam musubi mold. So you first put the rice in it, and then put spam. And you can add another rice on top or without rice or whatever, then just press.
Right.
That's it.
Okay.
Then wrap with the seaweed.
Interesting. All right, and the other ingredients here, let's go through them.
Yes, then I'm gonna use, this is a sauce, meaning soy sauce, sugar, honey, and sesame oil.
Okay.
That's going to be, I kind of making glazed and cook with for spam.
Right. And what we don't show here, we have also tempura flour. We're going to make some katsu style, and also
yes. After this,
regular tempura.
I'm gonna make a little bit different one too.
Okay. All right, very good, Hiro. Let's begin the work.
Yes. First thing I'm gonna slice up. I mean, spam.
Okay, and don't worry if you guys don't have these tools
Yeah,
here. We're
I
going to
will
show you how
do
to
this
do it with this can.
Right.
Very, very simple.
So first thing, open up the can. This one like that, and taking out the spam. Yes. So later I'm gonna use this can, so I'm gonna keep on the side. So now I'm going to use this one to cut spam. This one coming to heat this way. Yes.
Yep, that's right.
Then where do we cut this one? Oh, no.
Oh, wow,
Yes.
perfect.
1, 2, 3. Okay, next step, I'm gonna start to cook the spam.
And we used to sell spam fried rice in the restaurant here. Remember that?
Oh yeah, I like that.
So this is so popular. I don't know why. People saw spam fried rice. Probably didn't believe it, but
Yeah,
spam is so good in so many different things.
yeah. Okay, spam is ready. Okay, so I'm gonna first taking out the spam here for now. Then next one, I'm gonna start to make the sauce. Okay, first you're gonna put the meat. So and a little bit of sugar. Okay. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of honey here. Like that. Then I put back the spam here. Then just all the way glazed. If you want a sweet, you can put a little more sugar or honey. Yeah, that's all the way glazing. Nice. Like spam teriyaki.
Let me tell you, it smells really, really
Kind
good.
of,
I wish
you
you
know?
guys could smell it at home. Amazing.
Very nice. Okay, that's it. So then you're gonna keep in the
Please.
that. First one, rice. How much rice you want to, it's all up to you. Just making flat, the evenly all the way. Okay, then I'm gonna put the 2-piece spam teriyaki in here. And one more. Wow. Alright. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Go like that. Now press nicely, holding and tight.
Like Oshi Sushi here.
Like oshi sushi, yes.
Right?
Yes, oshi sushi. Go like
Yes,
that.
I'm-
Then I'm going to do a whole thing. Actually, you don't need to take off. You can take off these things on the seaweed. Go like that.
Rough side up. Rough side of the seaweed up.
Yeah, shiny side down.
Yes.
Okay, now taking out. Taking out. Yes. Then 1 and 2, and collagen side down, and then wait a little bit. Okay. So let's see how it looks like.
Perfect.
Okay, next one, I'm going to use a can. So you're gonna put this.
And press it firmly.
Yes. Like that. Then take it out. To the seaweed, and you just roll it up. That's it. Next one, I'm gonna make spam one with tempura, and other one I'm gonna make the katsu style.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start cracking the egg for the katsu. So let's do katsu first. Powder. And egg. Then panko. So this is a tonkatsu.
Right. Tonkatsu wannabe.
The different style tonkatsu.
Oh, yeah.
You wanna go double coating?
I think so, right?
Double
Good idea.
coating.
Make it extra crunchy, Hiro.
Okay. Yep. So. Okay, I'm gonna keep in that.
Okay.
And the next one is actually going to be the tempura. Put a little bit of powder on the outside. Then tempura powder. Okay, so let's start to fry it up.
All right.
Right. Right. Okay, first tempura size ready. You know, I like maybe you can put over on it too. You know,
Very nice.
you can a little bit modify.
Yes.
Yeah, might be nice too. Okay, cuts also ready. Beautiful, beautiful. So we're gonna keep this one. I'm gonna keep this on the side. Okay, so I'm gonna use mold to make the rice in. So press. And like that. Make one. Take the wrap off. Here, like that. Katsu. Here, like that. Now I'm going to add the avocado on the top.
Perfectly sliced avocado, huh?
Perfect, right? Okay.
Okay, take a look at this, guys. So there you have it. Spam musubi, 3 ways. And we're going to try them all and then let you know. Hiro, thank you so much. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. I want to thank our friend in Hawaii, too, for sending so many amazing things. This is all made from her products that she sent to us. You saw in previous video how many things that were here. And so thankful. Well, Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. See you next time.
soon. Okay, Hiro, we are here at the tasting part for the finale. Okay, Hiro, go ahead, enjoy.
Yes.
How's it?
Very good.
This is still warm. The rice is warm. It's pretty dense. Try.
How's the rice?
Wow, so good.
This is a Niigata rice.
This is a short grain, no seasoning, just plain steamed rice. But this combination with that sauce that you made, Hiro, with the spam and the rice is phenomenal. It's so good. I hope you guys really try this at home. It is amazing. Whether you heard great things about spam or bad things, you guys got to give it a try.
I go with the katsu one first.
So katsu one first, okay?
This way. Yeah.
Good?
That's katsu crunchiness so good.
The crunchiness from there? I'm gonna try the tempura first. Because I'm sure I'm gonna like the katsu. I want to see the difference.
Katsu crunchiness is good. Tempura, maybe a little bit after wrap, a little bit getting soggy on the tempura side, I guess. But katsu still stay on crunch.
You're right, it is a little bit soggy.
Right? And because avocado on it and steamed rice on
Yeah,
top.
yeah. So you don't really get the crunch at all.
I think avocado is a good combination too.
Let me tell you, the rice with the avocado and the spam, let me tell you, and the mayo, just everything works really great. The combination. So popular in different Japanese recipes and sushi rolls. The edge of the spam was tempura. I could, have a little bit of the crunch. This one I'd save for the last because I know this one's going to be good. It's beautiful too, just the way it looks. How's it, Hiro? What's your favorite one out of all three?
Katsu.
This one's your favorite out of all three? Really? Okay.
Of course, original one and the teriyaki one was good too.
Wow.
But I really like those little crunchy ones.
This is almost like a katsu sandu, Really, because you have the rice. Well, instead of bread, we have rice here. The crunchiness and, of course, the flavor of the pork. So good. This is really a great, great combination.
Good for lunch, picnic.
Oh, so good, Hiro.
Remember when we was in Japan, 2019, right? The Musubi from the supermarket.
Oh, I love that one.
It's also good. Your favorite.
Well, Hiro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Guys, please try this at home.
See you next time.
You will love it. Thank you.
日本の皆さん、こんにちは。寺田寿司道場の寺田です。今回ですね、日本のサブタイトルを入れてですね、新しいチャンネルがスタートしました。オリジナルのチャンネルはダリー・アリーズ・オブ・アマスター・寿司シェフと言いますね。日本のね、サブタイトルを入れてですね、日本の皆さんに楽しんでもらいたいと思いまして、このチャンネルを始めました。どうぞご覧ください。Today I have a great news. Japanese subtitle version channel is start. The name is Terada Sushi Dojo. It's in the kanji. Of course, you guys cannot read it, but a new channel. It's already started. Please watch it. So every video at the beginning, I speak in Japanese, a special introduction there. So something new. In the future, a lot of videos coming. Also Japanese special version of the video also coming too. So please stay tuned and more subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.